Hello, it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrappin' on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday, and this is my May wrap-up. If you want to see the full original kit, when I put it together, you need to go back to my May 4th post. That'll be a Monday, the first Monday in May, to see the entire kit, so you can get a great grasp of how many full sheets of 12 by 12 papers or any scraps that I put in my kit. And all I have left is 3 full sheets 12 by 12. I have this black cardstock here, this sangria color, and then from the pattern paper I have that large paper, this one, which is beautiful, that combination there, and I have a little strip of the flower, the authentique, this, and these. Now, generally, I will take what's left over, and these larger pieces, like right here, I will, well, normally I wouldn't this one. I would this. Let me rephrase this. I would take this cardstock out, and I would take all these pieces and file them with my papers by the manufacturer, then by the collection name, alphabetically. But I'm not sick of this kit, so I am keeping it all together. I can picture me doing more layouts with this a lot, and I have photographs that I can use. I will even keep the sticker sheet that came with this, and then this is what I have left from the die cut packs, which is just 1, 2, 3, 4 frames, and then a couple embellishment icon names. So I will keep all of this and this sleeve here together. Jen Hatfield collection, and look at all the chipboard. I will keep this together with, just like this, filed with my chipboard, and I don't keep those in any type of order. I just keep all my big sheets of chipboard together until, again, I use at least 75% of this, and then I'll break it down by color. Now, I did a horrible job in using my alphas that I pre-selected. I didn't even touch those, not at all. Didn't touch those right there. Didn't touch that at all. I used one word out of here, B, and I used one word here, I think awesome. That's it. And I used none of those. Well, it wasn't double-sided, so it's just this side. That's it. That's what's left over. Now, here is a recap of my layouts. All right. This was posted May the 11th. And I don't have a favorite because, well, I'm going to tell you that I love all 3 that I posted. They're all my favorites. The bonus one is not my favorite that I didn't film. This is, like I said, this is the first layout I created. I love everything about it. There is not one thing I don't like. I just love it. I love the washi tape. I've got the sequins. I got puffy stickers on here. I have chipboard, pattern paper, cardstock paper, more chipboard here. I mean, I even have a brad here. I mean, I used a lot of elements on here. Another foam sticker right here, foam sticker here, word phrase. I used a lot and love it. This is what makes me happy. All right, this is layout number 2 I created. It was posted May 18th. Again, love this. I love having pattern. I know some of you are like, ooh, that's too busy, but I've said this before, to make it not so busy, you need to put behind the pattern paper a smaller pattern paper, and then you can even add some cardstock. Or if you put this smaller print, kind of reads solid, then you can add another pattern and you have some solids here and then a stripe here and a solid under here. All right, and I did my clusters along the edge here, and I got vellum butterflies right here, and I have some gold splatters. If you can see that, I'll bring that up closer. Gorgeous. This would be layout number 3, posted May 25th, was just the other day. And I love too how this turned out. Same thing, smaller prints here. The dolly helps to break up this checkerboard background, so don't be afraid. I know some ladies had comments that they have a hard time working with these pre-printed, these big pre-printed, I call them icons, but patterns on here. What you do is do a cluster and it ties it all together, and then another big item right here. Or you just use larger pattern papers and use this area for a place to do journaling. Sometimes you have 3 clusters and that makes it really easy, but I understand the challenge if you just have 2 big clusters like this. Then you do another, or big printed items on the pattern paper. Then do a big cluster here and a cluster here, and it ties it in here, and you have it going this way, almost like an X. Okay, and this is my bonus layout. This is one that's not filmed, and it's okay. My problem here, what I did is I have my silver splatters going on here. I have nothing but these icons, and it works out all right. The focus is right here, and your eye should stop right there, and I do like this. And I added a couple silver brads right here, so that if your eye wants to go right this way, it can. And I will do some journaling here, which will help draw your eye across this way instead of going this way. All right, those are the 4 layouts I completed in May. Come back for June. See you next time. Bye.